So, what can be collected from social media? So, here you can see a couple screenshots of this is from Axiom. I did a mock collection of my own Facebook account to show, what kind of what we see on our forensic end when we collect from a social media platform. So, these tools will break down the collection into what's called artifacts, and they're basically just categories that we can go through and find whatever relevant data is being looked for. So you can see on the left side, this has information about the Facebook account. It will show the password or token used. It will show Facebook URL. So this is just the Facebook URLs would be information like where data is saved in Facebook itself, the URL to get to that. Identifiers, these are the people that I've connected with or have information about on my Facebook. Not necessarily 1,445 friends, but that's also not just my friends on Facebook, but also people who have interacted with my posts or companies that I'm following on there, and information about my user account. This will also pull Facebook messages. So if I'm using Messenger, it'll pull my Facebook Messenger conversations. And then on the right, you can see more information. There's my friend list. So that's all. It pulls all information about my friends, my timeline. So I think I've had Facebook since like 2005. So it's pulling information from all the way back then and every single post basically that I've ever made, and also comments and likes and reactions from those posts. You can also see all the pictures. This will include pictures of from my posts, pictures I've been tagged in, pictures of my friends. So it collects each of my friends' Facebook profile picture. So you can link that with the friend themselves if that's something that's interesting in the investigation that we're going to do. Then Facebook pictures, videos, everything you think of from a Facebook account, that's what's being pulled. So within tools like Axiom and Celebrate, we can search for specific things, filter on certain time frames, dates, keywords. It assists with looking at for whatever information we're looking for or we're tasked to look for. Tools like Axiom and Celebrate are great with reviewing the data as well. When it comes to pulling data from mobile devices, the thing with mobile devices is that you're technically accessing your data through the cloud. So if a forensic examiner is collecting data from your phone, it's only getting a limited amount of data from your social media accounts, just because every time you access your Facebook, you're connecting to a server, which is where most of your data is stored. There's very limited data stored on the phone itself. So the best way to get data is to actually log into the social media platform through one of these forensic tools to pull it down and not rely on just what's on your phone to be able to collect that data.